Optimizing your Facebook page for search engines is crucial for increasing your brand visibility and reaching a broader audience. Below is a detailed breakdown of the key steps to achieve this goal. 1. Understanding the importance of optimizing your Facebook page for search engines. Search engine optimization (SEO) isn't just for websites. Your Facebook page can also benefit significantly from being optimized for search engines. Enhanced visibility on both Facebook search and external search engines like Google can drive more organic traffic to your page, increase brand awareness, and potentially lead to higher engagement and conversions. 2. Choose a relevant and memorable page name. Your page name is one of the first things both users and search engines notice. Ensure it reflects your business or brand accurately and is memorable. Avoid spammy or overly complex names and steer clear of excessive use of keywords which can look unnatural and off-putting. 3. Customize your Facebook URL to match your business or brand name. Once your page has 25 likes, you can create a custom URL that aligns closely with your business or brand name. For example, instead of a random string of numbers, your URL could be facebook.com your brand name. This makes your page easier to find and share, and it looks more professional. 4. Fill out all the essential details in the About section, including a keyword-rich description. The About section is prime real estate for SEO. Ensure that all fields are filled out accurately and completely. Use a keyword-rich description to succinctly explain what your business is about, including primary services or products. Make sure the keywords sound natural and fit well within the descriptive text. 5. Regularly post engaging content that resonates with your audience. Consistent posting helps keep your audience engaged and signals to Facebook's algorithm that your page is active and relevant. Content should be tailored to your target audience and provide value, whether it's informative articles, entertaining videos, or promotional offers. Use relevant keywords naturally in your posts to improve SEO. 6. Encourage user engagement through comments, likes, and shares. Engagement metrics like comments, likes, and shares are crucial for visibility on Facebook. The more engagement your posts receive, the more likely they will appear in your followers' news feeds and broader audiences. Encourage users to interact by posing questions, running contests, or asking for opinions. 7. Use high-quality images and videos to make your page visually appealing. Visual content is more likely to catch users' attention and can significantly boost engagement rates. High-quality images and videos not only make your page look professional but also encourage users to stick around longer. Ensure images are appropriately tagged with alt text and video descriptions include relevant keywords. 8. Leverage Facebook Insights to analyze your page's performance and make data-driven improvements. Facebook Insights is a powerful tool for tracking the performance of your page. Regularly review your analytics to understand what content resonates with your audience and what doesn't. Look for patterns in post performance, audience demographics, and engagement metrics. Use this data to refine your content strategy, posting schedule, and overall approach. By following these steps, you can optimize your Facebook page for better visibility on both internal and external search engines. This will help you attract more followers, engage your audience more effectively, and ultimately drive more leads and sales for your business.